So it's garlic scape time, and recently I shared a video that I had on YouTube about how and why to and when to harvest garlic scapes. Well, I'm here in my garden and the garlic scapes are ready and I'm here to get them. Today is the solstice, it's the longest day of the year, and I thought what better time to get these garlics than right now. It's about 9 o'clock at night, it's still really bright outside, it's a beautiful evening. It was really hot all day. The temperature is now comfortable and I'm here in the garden and I'm gonna get some garlic scapes. So I'm just gonna show you how I do it and when to pick them. So if you watched my previous video, and I have a link above, so just check that out if you want to watch it. I talked about why you should harvest them and when you should harvest them. So take a look at that video for more information. But a quick video today to show you how I do it. So here's my garlic patch. I'm deep in it now, and you want to look out for your curls. So these are the garlic scapes. They grow up the top through the middle, the stem that emerges from the garlic plant, and if there it is right there, and at the very center of that is a scape. So you want to pop that off when it's gotten its first curl. So here, as you can see, this one here has already had a first curl. To take it off, you literally just use your fingers and just go like this and remove it. See, one curl, that's the perfect time. Again, let's do another one. Now they're all at different stages here in this garden. I don't know why they all grew at different stages, but I try to get the ones that are ready. And if they don't have quite a curl, then I will wait another day and then they'll be ready. So here's another one. These look pretty good here. Take a look there. All you do is quick, you pop off one curl. Perfect. I find that if you wait any longer than a single curl, like if you let it go to a second curl, by that time the garlic scape becomes woody, and so this is the most tender time. You don't need to, if you wanted to harvest it before it had its first curl, you could, but it's still good at a first curl, so why not just get it a little bit longer so you have more. I'm gonna do another one here. As you can see right there, it's already got its first curl, so just go down to the very bottom of that stem, which is right there. Get your fingers, pop it off. Really easy. You don't need scissors, you don't need a knife. It's a lot of cumbersome tools. All I have is my bucket and I'm collecting garlic scapes. So I just started. I have a lot more to go, but here's the first few that I collected. They're ready. Can't wait to make some garlic scape pesto. For that recipe, I'm going to share the link below in the description. It's on my blog, and it's my favorite way of making garlic scape pesto, and I absolutely love it. I look forward to it all year long, and I can't wait to make some of my own. It's very simple. It's great on pasta. It's great on toast. It's great cooked with some eggs. It is great on so many things. You can put it on chicken. You can put it on meat, and it's nice because although it is garlicky, garlic scapes are milder than garlic cloves, so it just tastes delicious. I can't wait. So I'll post the link down below, the link to that recipe, so check it out. Anyway, happy gardening, everyone. Hope that your garlic is growing well if you're growing it, and if you're not, definitely consider growing it. I do have more videos on growing garlic, and I will post those links as well down in the description. And if you like my channel, please be sure to subscribe and be sure to like this video as well, so I know that you watched it. Anyway, that's it for now. Have a great evening, happy solstice, and happy gardening. Bye for now.